Bitcoin whales are buying like never before, and right now on the imminent short term there is a huge signal flashing I want to be discussing on today's update video, also including the fact Bitcoin is currently breaking above this major downtrend, and I want to be talking about what this means for the larger perspective. I'm going to be of course talking about the massive ETF flows which we saw yesterday. BlackRock had their biggest buy since July 2024. I need to be discussing what currently is happening, including the fact of many other important charts you need to be understanding today. So without any further ado guys, don't forget to once again slap that like button back above 1000 likes, and I will be exactly explaining to you why Bitcoin has seen such a big surge towards the upside and what are the important things to be looking at right now. So without any further ado, let me jump straight away in. And yes, on the imminent short term, the only thing I'm seeing right here is a slight little warning signal, since Bitcoin right now is creating lower lows here on that RSI and higher highs here on the price action. And this means basically that we're creating a bearish divergence. And before going further in towards the video, I want to be excusing me for my bad audio quality, but from of tomorrow's video it's fixed. Unfortunately, I was traveling, I forgot some things, and yeah, later today it will be arriving at my home again, so then I can be making normal videos again. But anyways, yeah, Bitcoin is creating a bearish divergence. I think you should definitely pay attention towards this. And if we are going to come down here and potentially retest a next level of support, I believe the next major support for Bitcoin is going to get found at this previous high in the market, which also got us rejected right here. And that level is currently sitting around $66,000. So if Bitcoin were to be seeing an ever so slight correction towards the downside, I think which is going to be most likely holding us up the most. Also, looking further, we can currently see on the 12-hour time frame or daily time frame, whatever you're approaching it at, this major downtrend where we got more than 4 times rejected from. We're actually clearly seeing the breakout of this level right now here. Of course, if you're looking at the daily time frame on the bigger perspective, so on this larger downtrend, you can see that actually also we have just managed to be breaking above this range high. So Bitcoin, it doesn't matter how you're approaching it, is currently breaking the major downward sloping resistance line, which has been trading against us for 218 days here, and currently we're breaking above it. And to be exact, we've seen more than 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections from of this exact level right now, and now we're starting to be breaking above this exact level, which is considered to be extremely bullish here. And of course, you could be also approaching the bull flag pattern for Bitcoin, which is also actually starting to be breaking out right now here. And a retest of this level right here would only be considered bullish. And yes, then we're going to be starting to see the breakout of the bull flag pattern, which got a price target around $120,000. And then also yesterday, we saw more than $458 million worth of inflows on the spot Bitcoin ETF. All alone, BlackRock bought more than $393 million, and they have managed to do their biggest buy since July 2024, which is maybe on one side considered extremely bullish, but also every single time, guys, once we are seeing these large inflows from BlackRock, it tends to be marking the top here. I'm not saying the top is going to be in this time around here, but I do want to be pointing out here, yes, BlackRock is buying a large amount of Bitcoin, and historically, it could potentially mean the market is going to be topping out. But anyways, still, BlackRock is buying large amounts of Bitcoin, and already this week here, they've bought more than $1 billion. Well, it's only Thursday. So that is quite insane here. So we only got the data from Monday to Wednesday, and already $1 billion worth of Bitcoin is bought through the spot Bitcoin ETF, which is very bullish. You can see also Bitcoin whales are accumulating at a pace never seen before. I mean, we've seen the previous bull market where Bitcoin whales were starting to step in towards the market. But guys, what we're seeing right now here is something crazy. This is literally the confirmation the Bitcoin bull market is about to be starting any moment right now. And this is honestly one of the worst periods you want to be exiting this market. So we can see also on this chart right here, Bitcoin, its fractal looks very similar to that 2014 to 2018. Very similar price action right now here. The breakout looks to be starting at this point here. You can see the falling wedge breakout on Bitcoin as well. And guys, if you want to be trading Bitcoin or any other altcoins, there is an insane deposit bonus currently running on Blofin. This is an exchange where you do not need to use KYC. So if you're interested in that, check out in the link description of today's video. But make sure to check it out because you can claim a free $10,000, which is withdrawable on this exchange for only depositing $20,000. and doing 35 million US dollars in trading volume. Also, there are some smaller deposit bonuses you can be claiming very easily with like a $100 or $500 deposit. Guys, if you want to be claiming this, make sure to check it out in the link description of today's video. This is a non-KYC exchange. And if you potentially like to be trading on a KYC exchange, which I don't really understand all too much, to be honest, but if you want to be doing so, you can check out Bybit in the link description of today's video, where you can also claim a free $500 US trade for signing up an account using the link below and completing KYC. So if you're interested in trading, check out the links below, guys. But anyways, currently we are starting to see that Bitcoin is starting to trade in a major uptrend right now here. Well, we first of all trade in a major downtrend. We're now starting to trade in an uptrend, and Bitcoin is starting to create like higher highs every single time. And if we're going to be coming down again here, it wouldn't be anything bad for Bitcoin, because ultimately we think we're going to be going much higher. The monthly falling wedge pattern also for Bitcoin starting to be breaking out right now, which is also considered to be extremely bullish. And probably the biggest reason why Bitcoin is pumping so heavily is due to the fact that the market is pricing in potentially the victory of Donald Trump its election, since he is right now leading Harris by over 18% here, over 17%, which is by far the largest gap here he's ever had with her since July or since August 2024. So pretty insane, which we're seeing right now here. We know that Trump is a pro-crypto president. He's launching his own crypto coin here. So yes, if we will be elected, it would be considered extremely bullish for the market. And also, it doesn't matter who gets elected, but historically speaking, whenever the US elections do hit the market, the Bitcoin crypto or entire market tends to go exponential. So this is literally probably the most likeliest reason why Bitcoin is currently pushing higher. Also, we're starting to see the MACD is about to be crossing bullish. Whenever this does cross bullish, guys, we're going to be in for a massive rally towards the upside. This is the worst time to quit the market, guys. But anyways, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new video. Tomorrow I will have a normal camera. I will have a normal microphone. I swear to God. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys back again on another video tomorrow. Peace out. Goodbye.